What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good morning, good night, good midnight, good evening, wherever you are, wherever you're listening to me on earth. It's your boy again this morning, David, live from IFX Studio. Yeah, here to do some recap on Great Britain Pound USD. We did this recap last week and we said this market. I did this recap last week and I said this market is an uptrending market. So as we speak now, if you look at the market, you see that the market is climbing up just as forecasted. The market didn't change any direction. It just keep going as I forecasted. So, it's a win-win trade as I said, since last week. Since like it's like almost a month now. No, it's not on a month that I've drawn this trend line. I was just dating it, but I said it's up. It's not because I said it's up, but what the price action and the calculation, the statistics of the market told me is that the market is going up. And as we speak, the market is hitting up high. You get it? So if you want to trade this market, you could go into it. So what really makes me believe that this market is an uptrend, and what makes me see that this market is an uptrend, and I know many people have questions for this. I know many people want to know how well. I will give you part of it, but I'm not giving you everything. You should know that. Please always remember that, because I don't give all my secret. I don't give everything like, oh, this is what I do, this is what I see, this is what I see. Okay, let me just start. From the first edge, it's a triangle base form. You get it? There is a triangle here. You get it? And this triangle, the candles within these triangles is speaking a specific language. You get it? A specific language. The candles here, all these candles, they indicate something. You get it? They indicate something, because one started here, one ended here, and it breaks below. You understand? When it breaks below, people believe it's a downtrending. It forms another triangle here. You get it? So later, it keep, it's like an uptrending triangle. You get it? This is the first thing that I'll tell you. That's it. The second of it, it's I'll call it an upwaving trend. It's waving. You get it? So it's an upwaving trend. It's something like climbing up. So this is the second thing that I'll tell you about this market. This is one of the things that makes me know that it's going up. The number three that'll make me to tell you that I believe this market is going up is because it's been climbing up from this very stage. It's been climbing up for quite some while now. From this very date, on the 19th of March. Since on the 19th of March, it's been climbing up. Since on the 23rd of March, it's been climbing up. It went so strong bullish, and it falls a little bearish. It went another bullish, it falls a little bearish. It went another bullish, it falls a little bit bearish. Then it keep going bullish, bearish, climbing the step upstairs. You get it? So it got to a stage the bearish want to take charge of the market, but the bullish strength is still there, which is the Great Britain pound strength. It's still there, and it was able to climb on top of the mountain in the market. You get it? So this is where I put my take profit. If you don't know, please, this flag, that's where I put my take profit. You get it? And I've been in this market for more than 3 weeks now. I've been in this market since this era. You get it? So I believe the market is going up, and it's been going up. I've been in this market and it's been going up. It's this candlestick, sorry, this trend line drawing has been more than 2 months. I'm just editing it. I'm just editing them. I'm just editing them. You get it? So this is what I see there. You get it? These are the part of the things that I see there. And when you check this very place, when you check the support and the resistance in this very place, the support and the resistance are not the support and the resistance, they are not, it's not a straight support, it's not a straight resistance. So when the market, when these are part of the things that I see that makes me knows that this market is an uptrending market. So I don't know what you see, I don't know what you're trading at the moment, but I'm busy enjoying my trade. um, I'm busy enjoying my trade, and I'm busy enjoying the forecast, the action that the trade took, which is a very very good thing. I'm happy about that, and I'm enjoying my trade, So I don't know, people, just look at it. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you see in the market. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you see in the market. Tell me, if you are to trade this, how will you trade? If you are to draw a trend line, what will you draw? Just let me know what you think. Let me know what you see in the market. I'll really appreciate it. And people, please, I'll very much more appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all my social media pages. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all my social media pages. I really appreciate it. Oh, not more than this for now. And I'll see you in my next video. Trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all. Be safe. See you in my next video.